everyone, my name is Catherine Dishman-Baird and I'm Director at KD Communications. Today, this morning, I have had the Shawam photo session with Laura Pearman Photography and the team, and the day has been absolutely seamless. They've taken care of me from beginning to end. I didn't need to think about what I was going to wear next, what my hair was going to be like, what shoot was going to come next, what part of the shoot was going to be next. They took complete care of me from start to finish and worked seamlessly as a team to make sure that my session was as perfect as it could possibly be. So I'm really excited to see what the headshots are going to be like, so watch this space. But thank you to Laura and the team for today. You've all been amazing.